What if the real history of the Tagaru was never fully told? This book, Sabaeans and Nagazians, reveals a hidden story of the people of Tigray and Eritrea. Before they were called Tagaru, their ancestors were known as Sabaeans and Nagazians. But why those names, and what do they really mean? For over 3,000 years, they built a peaceful civilization, powered by democracy and elections during the Aksumite era. And here's the shock. They weren't migrants from across the Red Sea. The evidence links them to ancient Cushitic and Nubian civilizations. Yeyes, the sacred language, was their gift to history. The book even proves Amharic came from Tigrinya using a mathematical language formula. This isn't just history, it's truth reclaimed. Come to our channel and visit as just subscribe and like the video.